Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It is time for a whole new week of CVS deals, and they're pretty good. So we're gonna head in and get Moneymaker Covergirl, a crazy good deal on paper goods, I personally think, and even my favorite contact solution. It's a good week for me. So follow along as we shop and check out all the deals that you can grab. Remember, everything that I'm gonna mention, if you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you can grab the deals with all the coupons right there so that you are ready to go and shop. Let's head in and check it all out. There's a pretty good deal on razors this week if you have a store coupon. That's usually the theme of most CVS deals, so let's just start it with this one. I have a $4 off any $10 purchase in Gillette or Venus razors or refills. And this week when you buy two, you're gonna get back an $8 reward. So we've got $2 coupons off of razors for Gillette or Venus. We have $4 coupons off of refills, but refills cost more. So we really want to focus on the razors, even though the coupon's not quite as valuable. Grab two razors. In this store, they start at $9.49. In some stores, they may be more in the $10.49 range, just depends on where you live. Two razors at $9.49, two $2 off coupons. If you've got that store coupon, awesome, that's another $4 off. So you're gonna use $8 in coupons, you're gonna get $8 in rewards. And guys, that's easy math. You're gonna pay $1.49 per razor. That's a pretty sweet deal. So if you have the store coupon, totally should add this to your list. If you don't have the store coupon, it's gonna make each razor $3.49, just so you see the math with or without the store coupon. Still not a bad price, but we usually can get a little bit better when we have a higher value razor coupon. So if it's not something you have to have right now, you've got some already in your stash, then I might wait for another month. Let's see if P&G gives us a higher coupon next month. You know, you can kind of play the game. I will tell you, this is the highest reward that we see CVS give. So they kind of rotate between an $8 reward when you buy two or a $6 reward when you buy two. So this is the higher reward value, even though you may not have that really high coupon on the razor. This is still a good deal if you need razors with or without the store coupon. So this Sunday's paper brought huge buy one, get one coupons on any Love, Beauty, and Planet hair care, body wash, any product really. And this week when you buy $20 worth of Love, Beauty, Planet, I always feel like I'm saying that backwards, but when you buy $20 worth, you're gonna get a $10 reward. So that's already a 50% savings and a buy one, get one coupon. You see where this is going, guys? So these, it's gonna depend on your store. Most stores in the Southeast, these are $8.99. I'm not in the Southeast today, so in this store, they're $9.59. What you wanna do is grab the $20 that you need. It's going to require 3 of them pretty much in every area. So grab 3 of them, use one buy one, get one coupon, and then I want you to hop over and print a coupon. We got a $1.50 off printable that you could pair in here too. You're buying 3 items, so your buy one, get one coupon is on 2 of them, and then use your $1.50 off of that third. Yes, you could buy 4 items and use 2 buy one, get one coupons, but you're really pushing your total out of pocket much higher by grabbing that 4th item and paying the full price on that third bottle basically. You just have to trust me on the math. Buy 3, use the $1.50 printable, use the buy one, get one. It is a better deal. So in the end, remember I had to buy $20 worth to get the $10 reward. I'm using a buy one, get one coupon, so one of them, $9.59 in this store, $8.99 in yours, minus $1.50. Whoop, sorry, my old camera is messing up today. In the end, basically, guys, if your store has them at $8.99, you're gonna pay 83 cents a bottle. That's pretty fun. Now, I am missing something on my math there for you too, because check your CVS account. Most of us always have a coupon off of hair care. So I've got a coupon for $4 off any $18 purchase in hair care, and this counts. You might have a 3 off 15, whatever you've got, pair it into. So for me, buy one, get one coupon, $1.50 off printable coupon, $4 store coupon, $10 in rewards, 83 cents a bottle on the East Coast. On the West Coast, you're gonna add 60 cents to that, so it's $1.40 a bottle. Not a bad price for West Coast either. But just so you see how that deal is gonna play out, definitely check for the store coupon. But even without the store coupon, let's still grab this item because that buy one, get one coupon and the $10 reward totally makes the deal. Okay guys, just a little like public service announcement here. A lot of times with printable coupons, you want to print them when you see them. They're not going to be around forever, but when you print them, you generally have 30 days to use them. One example is fructose treat. We've had a $2 coupon for the last week or so. It's gone now. It ended Saturday night. I tried to give you a heads up as much as I could to print it because this item is on sale this week and giving a reward. So heading in with your $2 coupon, or two $2 coupons. We even had a digital for this. You just needed to have loaded it or printed it. Grab 2 of them. They're on sale, 2 for $7. Use 2 $2 off printable coupons. That's $4 off. So now you are going to pay $3 and get back a $2 reward. So now you're getting 2 treat 1-minute masks for $1 in the end, or 50 cents a piece. Now, I'm mentioning this specific product because the rest of Garnier Fructis is what's on sale, but this does not qualify for the treat coupon. So that's the treat item that totally qualifies. This is the rest of the treat line. They're not the same price. So, but this was, and that's pretty sweet. So you want to grab those coupons. You may not think you're going to use them, but when it comes to personal care, you're probably going to find a deal that goes with them. So print them when you see them, and then you've got them for when they're gone. Y'all know that I really prefer free toothpaste, but this week you potentially could get there. It's just going to depend on what your store coupons are. So I checked in my CVS account and I've got a huge $5 off any $25 purchase in Colgate toothpaste. And this week there's a number of Colgate deals that do not come out to be free on their own, but you could add them all together. So I'm giving you more of this as a general guide. I'm not going to map out any math for you, but keep in mind all of these toothpaste deals are a limit of 2. So if you've got that really high value Colgate $5 off coupon, then you could start grabbing 2 of this and 2 of this and whatever the deals are. So there's toothpaste, there's mouthwash, there's toothbrushes. They're all different deals. And you'll know that if you're really, really concerned. On the tag is a number at the top. That's going to tell you it's a different deal. In the ad, you'll see a different number underneath items. Just go with me. If you're using the list that is on Southern Savers, if I have them mapped out as separate items, they are separate deals. They're all a limit of 2. So add any of these things together. If you have a coupon off of any oral care, throw in all of these Crest deals if you want to. But you could potentially have some freebies here because so many of these come out to 49 cents up to 99 cents. Most of them all are $1 or under, just after regular coupons. Throw in your store coupon and you've got some money makers. It just depends on what your store coupon is. So more giving this out as like a public service announcement if you've got a store coupon. If you don't, hold off, because we always see free toothpaste and there'll just be another week and it's gonna happen. So just trust me on that one. But for anyone that does have the coupon, go ahead and let's do some math and throw them together. Bring the other coupons with you, but you'll get some great deals. How does more free Covergirl sound? I feel like this has been a trend over the last few weeks. This week, when you buy 2 Covergirl items, you're gonna get a $6 reward back, any 2. And there are a number of items that are right at $6 or a little over. So it's pretty sweet. That's 50% off right there, depending on what you grab. But we also just got $3 off coupons for eye, $3 off face, $2 off lip. They were in the inserts on Sunday. They're also available as printables. So grab all of these coupons and go to town. One deal idea if you want to go super, super cheap is brow pencils. They are $5.99 in this store. Grab 2 of them. You're there on your reward already, and one of them is free. Use 2 $3 off coupons. Guys, that's $6 in coupons and a $6 reward. These are outright free after the 2 $3 off coupons. Could get better if you have a $3 store coupon as well. I have a $3 off of $12, so this does not get me there. This is 2 pennies short. This will be perfect if my deal required a $12 purchase, because we can be under for the reward, but we cannot be under for store coupons. So if that's the case, I would grab the brow pencils and an eyeliner, brow pencils and that Professionals mascara, which is always on the bottom shelf. Those items are in the $6.99 range, so you're using one $5.99, one $6.99 product. Use your $3 store, use your 2 $3 manufacturers, that's $9 in coupons. This is gonna come out to a money maker if you have that store coupon, no matter how you work it. So pretty fun deal, not only with the reward 50% off and high value coupons, but money maker with store. Definitely add this to the list. I don't care if you have 14 of these already at home. This is a moneymaker, and it's gonna pay for an amazing deal on paper goods coming up next. My favorite deal on Contact Solution is back this week thanks to coupons that we just got in Sunday's paper. Clear Care and Opti-Free, the twin packs, are on sale for $16.99. When you buy one of them, you get back a $3 extra care buck. Doesn't sound fun until you add in a $6 manufacturer's coupon from Sunday's paper. So $16.99 minus a $6 manufacturer's coupon means you're gonna pay $10.99 at the register and get back a $3 reward, making this twin pack box $7.99. That's a pretty sweet deal. You're paying $3.99 a bottle basically, and one of the best prices that we see. So that $6 off coupon, it never lasts long. When it comes, it's usually only good for a week or two. So you wanna go ahead and find a deal to use it on, and this is probably the best one this week. Did you know that you can earn extra care bucks on milk? You can this week. Grab a gallon of milk, you're gonna get a $1 extra care buck back. The brand is gonna differ based on the store that you're in and the location that you're in, but everyone's gonna get $1 back on any gallon that you buy, and the limit is 2. Now, check your Ibotta account. It is not there for everybody, but there is an Ibotta offer off of any milk available for some users. So just to throw that out there, Ibotta has a lot of offers that are user specific, so you may or may not have this particular offer, but pretty sweet. Now, it doesn't necessarily make milk an amazing price. CVS's price on milk is kind of high, but if you already have some extra care bucks, you can use them on your milk. You're getting something that you need, and you're gonna get an extra care buck back, which is pretty sweet, versus just burning all the rewards and getting nothing back. You're getting something. So milk ends up on my CVS list a fair amount of time just to go ahead and knock something off of our list that we have to have and use those rewards on it. So kind of fun to add this one to the list and get something back this week. Guys, we have a pretty sweet deal on Charmin this week, or Scott. I'm gonna give you kind of two options. So in my CVS account, I have got a $2 off any toilet paper, paper goods store coupon. Even if you don't have this deal is still pretty good. But if you do have it, makes it even better. The Charmin deal first, when you buy 3 Charmin packs, these are $4.99 a piece for the 4 mega rolls. They're $4.99, but when you buy $15 worth, you're gonna get back a $5 reward. Remember, we're in CVS. We don't actually have to buy $15 worth. So let's buy 3 at $4.99. You're 3 pennies short, but the reward will still print. So pretty sweet. Get 3 and then grab your coupons. We've got $1 coupons from the P&G insert a couple of weeks ago, and we have a $1 CVS digital. So grab those 2 paper coupons. That's the limit on those P&G coupons. 2 paper coupons, your $1 CVS digital. So buy 3 packs, use those 3 coupons, get back your $5 reward. Use your store coupon too if you've got it. Guys, you can get these as low as $1.65 a pack. That's a sweet price for a pack of toilet paper. So $1.65, I know it's a tiny pack, but still $1.65. So follow me here on the math. They're $4.99 a piece. You're gonna use 3 $1 off coupons. You're gonna use a $2 store, so your total due is $9.97 after the coupons. Get back a $5 reward. You're now paying $4.97 for 3 of them, or $1.65 each. If you don't have the store coupon, then you're gonna pay $2.32 a piece. Still a very good price, even without the store coupon. So I would definitely put this on the list this week. One other paper good deal for you, if you've got that store coupon and you're just kind of itching to use it in some way, is Cottonelle. So Cottonelle this week is $10.49. When you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get a $5 reward. It's really a buy 20 and get a $5 reward deal. And there's a number of other things that are part of it, but this is really the best option. We've got 55-cent coupons that you can print. We also have a $1 Ibotta offer that you can use multiple times, and then you would pair in that $2 store. So follow me math-wise here. You would grab 2 of these at $10.49 a piece, use 2 55-cent coupons and your $2 store coupon. So you're gonna end up paying $17.58 at the register. You're gonna get back a $5 reward and submit your receipt for $2 back from Ibotta. So in the end, final numbers here, after the rewards, after Ibotta, you're gonna pay $10.88 for 2 of them, or $5.48 or $5.44 for 1. That's a pretty sweet price for that many rolls. So just make sure that you grab the Cottonelle over the other products that are part of the deal, because the buy 20s and get 5s, they're not really as great as the buy 30s and get 10s or the other deals that we see. So this one becomes great with the store coupon and the Ibotta offer on top of it, and does make for a stock up price on toilet paper. If you need diapers, this is your week. Pampers are on sale for $9.99 a pack. And when you buy 3 of them, you're going to get a $10 reward. This is my favorite deal. I just mentioned we don't want to go for that 5 off 20. This is basically your 10 off 30. This is what we want. So we're going to grab 3 packs because we have to, and we're going to start to add in the coupons. We've got $3 off 2 manufacturers. We also have a $2 off coupon for Easy Ups, which you can mix and match here. So best deal is to grab 2 packs of diapers, 1 pack of Easy Ups, use a $3 off 2, and 1 $2 off, so that's $5 in coupons, and check your CVS account. I haven't even bought diapers in over a year now. It's kind of a celebration moment, but I even have a store coupon off of $3 off $15 worth of baby care. So hopefully you're gonna have one too. Add that in as well. So now we're using $8 in coupons. I had to check my math there for a second. $8 in coupons. So here's the math. You're going to buy 3 at $9.99. You're going to use that $3 store, the $3 manufacturer, the $2 manufacturer, so $8 in coupons. Total due $21.97. You're going to get back a $10 reward. So now you're paying $11.97 for 3 packs of diapers, which is just great. You're going to pay $3.99 per pack after that. If you don't have the store coupon, you're going to pay $4.99 a pack, which is still a great price if you do not have the store coupon. But definitely with the store coupon at $3.99 a pack, it is a stock up week for diapers. Now, if you're in diaper mode, your next question is, how many of these can we buy? 1. This is a limit of 1 deal. You cannot buy any more. You will not get any more rewards. I know it's a good price, but we do see this a fair amount. So don't panic, just grab your 3 and then keep your eye out for the next time that they run a good price. So there you go, guys. There's a lot of fun deals. Do not miss Moneymaker Covergirl. I know you may not need those brow pencils and you've got 17 of them, but if you're making even $2 to buy the Covergirl, that's $2 towards your Charmin deal, and you're only paying $1.65 for that. So you've got to start to think about these things as being money towards the other things you need, your milk, whatever it might be. Always grab your Moneymakers. So that Moneymaker Covergirl is a definite this week. 50-cent Garnier if you had those coupons. There's a lot on this week's list that I would totally be adding. I'll confess, I'm filming this so that I can get it to you early, but I will definitely be hitting CVS once I get home because I did not check a bag. So none of this will work for me to fly home with when I have to head home in the middle of the week. But I will definitely be heading back to CVS once I get home to grab not only my contact solution, but my Moneymaker Covergirl and my toilet paper. So hopefully you're going to grab some of these too. Remember, you can head to southernsavers.com/CVS. You'll see all the deals and all the coupons that I've mentioned right there. You can make your shopping list and head into the store. All of these deals are good through Saturday night, March 7th. So make sure you shop before the end of the week and you grab your items and you save a ton of money. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all the weekly deals as we post them, and hopefully become slightly addicted to CVS and slightly addicted to not paying anything for your personal care and household items.